It's on the ground. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the size of it. Caffeine and the Machine never disappoints, does it? Over here, I'm gonna take a guess and say an old Jag or an Aston, but I'm not sure. But that's proper nice. Yes, an old Jag, I was right. Banging, look at the shape.
Check out the interior.
Check out the shape. Look how nice this is. Look at this, guys. Look at that interior, man. Just have a look at that. They don't build them like this anymore. Look at this. Nah, this car is something. We've got the Ducati X Diavel next to it, or I don't know if it's the X Diavel or the Diavel. Thruxton Triumph, and another Ducati Diavel as well. Bang it. Yeah, look at that. But look at that interior. That's just ridiculous. Okay. VW GTI TCR. Rare. Maybe pointless? I don't know. That was loud. And I'm not, oh, it's a GTR making that stupid noise. I like the TCR though. I don't know if I'm too keen on those wheels. But I like the rarity of it. They're cool. They're really cool. M135i. Not gonna lie, I went in one the other day, stage 1. I was expecting a lot more, I'm not gonna lie. We have a turbo black edition. Wow. Cupra R. I like this shape, Cupra. Astra. GTC by the looks of things. They're quite tall. They're really tall at the back. Sirocco, no Sirocco will ever live up to Charlie's. I'm gonna put a picture in now, but it's just not gonna happen. Sorry guys, so I give up. Arguably, one of the most, not overrated, but hyped up performance cars was the RS6. And it looks cool, but I think the new one looks better. But that's pretty cool. What do you think about this? So this is basically a supercar killer, nearly.
Okay.
Could be.
In terms of looks, no.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Oh. But how about that up on the hill?
Oh, that's my next one.
That's your next car? You had it here first. Well, one of the newer ones. The small, short body newer one.
Maybe we'll see.
Yeah?
We'll see.
Oh, watch this space, watch this space. Now this shape BMW will always have a place in my heart. I kind of want one, I actually do. They are so nice. The little cater room next to the pizza place, which was banging. Look at this. Love them. What are these, R888Rs? Come on, of course they are. Tyre wise, wicked. I'd love to drive one of these. Proper wicked little things. How cool is this? I don't even know what it is. I'm going to research it, but it's wicked. I like that. Is this a Sora, I think? Not sure. This is Steph's BMW M2 CS. I don't think it's worth 75 grand though.
You don't?
No. I don't think so. It's nice though. I like the carbon. There's a lot of carbon on this car. A lot of carbon. Gold wheel calipers are nice. Have a look at that. We've got a full carbon roof. That's really cool. Carbon mirror caps as well. Yeah, the seats look well good. They look pretty intense. Look at this rear. Yeah. And we've got a Lotus Elise Cup. I love these because look, it's just floor. There's nothing else. It's floor and steering wheel. But Lotuses are always really cool. What do you think? Like you think the MX-5's low, and then you look at that and you're like, yeah, nah. Like this looks like a 4x4 compared to it, doesn't it?
It doesn't look like there's any wheels on it.
You got the McLaren 570S. Nice. I like McLarens, but they've got a bit of a reputation for being like unreliable. I'm not too sure. Always such a good shout. Audi R8. I don't know if this is. Oh, it is a V10. It's a V10. Yeah. Banging. Nice colour as well. This is an old, by the looks of the badge, an Opel, but I don't know what it is. But it's a cool looking car. Let's have a little look. Pop-up lights. Do you have any badging? It's an Opel 1900. That's a nice shot there. Back over here, looks like we got the RX-7. I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, of course it is. Banging whip. Of course it's the RX-7. And another MX-5. Beautiful. This one looks big. It looks quite big. I don't know. Yaris GR. Lovely. There's actually quite a few of these here. Are these the magnesium wheels? Yeah, so this is the circuit pack option. By the looks of things, it's got the magnesium wheels. They are proper nice. Just look at these rear arches. Yeah, I'm a fan of that. What do you think of that one? It's an Impala, a Chevy Impala SS lowrider, absolutely on the ground, which is just ridiculous. Look at it. It's so big. Stand next to it for context. On. It's so long. It's absolutely amazing. Like, just look at the hangover. Look at it. It's so. No wonder they used to put bodies in it. Like, come on. That's why they used to put bodies in it. Look at it. It's wicked. Just work our way down to the lovely sunset. But what we got over here, let's turn up the exposure. MX-5 Mark 1, lovely blue. Looks by the looks of things, original wheels as well, clean. Yeah, pretty nice. And we've got another one back there as well, but we'll loop back round. We've got 2 series. Judging by the wheels, it could be a 235. Yeah, it's a 235. Nice. Got the GT86. Toyo. I've got Toyos on my car. On the CX-3. Is it boosted? Probably not. But it's fine. Got a Cupra. Yeah, nice Cupra leaving as well. These always remind me of a Tigra.
Why?
Just the shape, like a modern Renault Tigra, but less attractive. Okay, we've got an M2 here. What M2 have we got? Oh, we've got another M2. Okay, this is a competition. Yeah, nice. I like the wheels. Is that a default stance? But that is banging if it is. I'm impressed with that. That's nice. These look good. Courtesy of McDonald's cups in there as well. Proper nice. Hit some bugs coming up, but that's what you expect. This is like BMW corner. This bit, this little middle bit. What's this? 4 Series. Okay. What is it? X-Drive, maybe a 420i. M Sport, still a very nice car, so you can't argue. Got the old boy, Nissan Micra. Check this out. How much better does that look than the circle one?
Yeah, I like the Micra.
What, the newer one? The older
No,
ones?
these.
Yeah, that's cool. It looks like a mirror from the rear, doesn't it? What do you think?
I don't know what that is.
Marty's mirror. Oh no, not the mirror. The March Super Turbo. That's what this rear looks like. Obviously, it's both Nissan, so got a rising sun on it as well. What else? Got a Ford Fiesta. We have a Mini Clubman with bowler wheels and an AirTech intercooler. Check out those lights. I don't know if they're legal, but they look cool. I like this. It's just kind of cool. It's kind of like a rally off-road inspired look, and it's different. I think that's cool. That's a good press. Nice. Yeah, that's cool. Different. What's this? We've got the Audi e-tron here. Cool, look, this is the Audi e-tron, it's a new electric one. Look how, this arch. That's a cool angle there. Like that. This is the future people. Supposedly. But you can't charge them anyway yet, so there's always that. So, Yes. How banging is this? Is this a Z3M coupe? They call it the coupe, but I'm not sure if they call it the coupe or not. Don't you just love the shape of this?
Nah.
You don't? Bro, this car, I love this. This is proper. That rear fucks me up. Do you know what? Don't you think the new Supra is inspired by this?
They look very
It's a similar shape. I think the Supra is inspired by this. I think so. Banging. Okay. Got another GR Yaris, GR4 4-wheel drive. Circuit pack as well. I think these are the magnesium wheels. Yeah, this is cool. 208 GTI. These are mad little things. I actually like these. With a turbo shop, these can be proper rapid. It's a VW up making a noise over there. I love this.
Red, and then I realised it's the same as
The same red as mine. But bro, come on. I don't know what it is about these. This looks like to be probably a GT Sport. That's a VW up making a lot of noise and going nowhere, but this is banging. There's rumours of a hot hatch version coming. But I love the rear end of this. Like, I'm getting Ferrari FF or F12 vibes from that. And then the front, yeah. The only thing with it is I think the front bit is a bit too long. And that rear quarter panel, it's like there's something missing here.
Yeah.
There's something going on. But apart from that, they're banging. Another Z3. This is a clean one. Look at this. That is very, very clean. Very nice. This is what happens when you look after your Z3. You get this. And that's just amazing. There is a GR Yaris there, another one, in red. And a Polo GTI, which was a contender for my next car. Well, before I got that, it was a contender. But oh, hang about. I made a bunch of noises. What's going on over here then? What is this? That is an Aston Martin. I don't know the model names anymore. Vantage, Vanquish. I would change those tyres, the P0s, we don't get rid of them. But look at this. I'm pretty sure this is a V12. And it's one of the last V12s, really, for that. Wish we could have colour of this one. That's a proper unique colour, isn't it? We like that. That's proper nice.
Like gold sparkle in it.
Hang about, what's that over there? Come on, let's go have a look. Is that a Mazda CX-3? What?
Wow, so rare.
It's like everyone's left this patch for me. To be fair, guys, this is the only one here. Oh my god. Just as it rolls away. Cool little car. I have no idea what it is, but how cool is that? Got a couple of Focus STs as well. Leaving there pretty cool. But look, take a look at this. Blue Supra. With the bronze wheels. Yeah, the bronze and blue is set off really nice. Look at that. Proper nice that. What do you think of the Supra in person?
I like the colour.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice car. I love the rear arches.